So we're solving log equations again. Now we don't have only the log and the argument, we have some more stuff. So before we can rewrite this in exponential form, we have to isolate the log term right there. So add 4 to both sides. Bring log base 6 of x down. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Now that we have log base x isolated, I can go ahead and rewrite this in exponential form. So base will always be the base. So 6 to the power of 2 equals x. That gives me x. 6 squared is 36. This one, I have to isolate the term, the log right there. So by dividing both sides by 8, so log base 25 of x is 1/2. You can leave it as a fraction, you can leave it as a decimal, it doesn't matter. So now that the log is isolated, you have to rewrite this in exponential form. So 25 raised to the power of 1/2 equals x. 25 raised to the power of 1/2 is 5. This one, you're like, oh, fractions. I hate fractions. It's just a number like we did in number 1. So isolate the term right there. So take away 14 over 5 from both sides. Log base 32 of negative x is 0.2, or you can leave it as a fraction if you want. Now we're going to rewrite this. So 32 raised to the power of 1/5 equals negative x. So 32 raised to the power of 1/5 is 2. Equals negative x. Divide both sides by negative 1. X equals negative 2. You don't add 2 to both sides. The log is already isolated, so you can go ahead and rewrite this in exponential form. So 8 to the power of 2 is the argument, 3x minus 2. Now you solve that. This is 64. Add 2. Divide by 3. You're doing IXL is 7.